What's up, you guys? Jason here. We're actually going to head down to the Smoky Mountains today and spend a day or two down there. And then after that, we're going to head over to Chattanooga, Tennessee to a company called Moxie Van Co., where we're going to have a window put in the sliding door. This is something I've been wanting to get done for a long time, and I figure it's about time we get it done. The window that I'm going to have put in flips out, and it also has a built-in shade and bug screen. So it's going to be so nice. And the company that we're having install it actually installed the awning, and they are amazing people. The owner, Justin, is the nicest person you could ever ask for in your life. He took us, dropped us off at a coffee shop, and then done the work, and then came back and picked us up. Yeah, if you guys need any work done, definitely check them out. All right, you guys, first up is the all-important gas. We only got like 35 miles left, and this Love's is by far the cheapest place around I've found. It's $3.09, so then with the 10 cents off for having the app, it's $2.99, and it's around $3.50 anywhere else, so we're definitely gonna stop here and fill up. All right, you guys, we've made it to Pigeon Forge. Traffic wasn't too bad. It was about normal, I guess. But as you can see, there's the mountains off in the distance. And we still got to figure out where we're sleeping tonight. I have no idea, but we're going to go explore a little bit first. Just stopped at this little picnic area, just off one of the roads heading up to Cades Cove and all that stuff. Just made some bologna and cheese sandwiches and some salt and vinegar chips. Just gonna sit here and enjoy my dinner, and then probably go over to the island or maybe walk around downtown Gatlinburg for a little bit, and then go try to find some place to stay. I think I might try to go over to the Cracker Barrel because they're usually pretty much, you know, overnight friendly for RVs and things like that. So I'll probably run back in and check out the situation there. Wow, I wonder when they started this. Apparently they have parking tags now. It's $5 for a day, $15 for a week, or $40 annually. And you have to have a parking tag if you plan on parking somewhere for more than 15 minutes. I don't recall that last time I was down here, but I don't think I'm going to be buying one just because I'm probably going to head into Gatlinburg and stuff like that, so ain't no sense in buying one. I was just kind of wondering what they were all about, but kind of crazy, but I guess at the same time, you know, it helps fund the park, so it's kind of worth it, I guess. Good morning, guys. I ended up staying at the Travel Lodge by Wyndham here in Pigeon Forge last night. I went over to the Cracker Barrel probably close to 10 o'clock last night, and there was still people there. Then I got on some of the travel apps, you know, like Campendium and things like that. And they were talking about, you know, like them and some other people. The people didn't even ask them to leave. They just called the cops on them and stuff like that. So I was like, I don't want to take my chances doing that. So I just kind of searched for hotels in the area, and I had a little bit of a credit, so this hotel ended up costing me is a little over 20 bucks. So, and it was clean, so I can't really complain too much. So I just got up, took a shower, and getting ready to get on the road. I'm not real sure what today has in store for us. We don't have to be in Chattanooga till tomorrow morning, so might go explore, walk around downtown Gatlinburg, or really don't know. So we'll see. Good old Gatlinburg traffic. This store is so cool. Well, it's almost noon. I haven't ate yet, so I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I'm just gonna make some cereal and just sit here and eat it. Parked right by the creek that goes through here, so it'll be a nice little view as I sit and eat. All right, you guys, we're leaving the Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Sevierville area. Just got on 40. We're heading towards Chattanooga. Going to see what we can come up with on the way, or what we can find to do when we get there. What's up, you guys? We stopped here, we're about an hour away from Chattanooga. We stopped at this Love's RV place. It's got hookups. It's not horribly priced, but you get water, sewer, all that stuff. Free internet. But we got a big storm coming in. Yeah, getting a few sprinkles here and there. You can probably hear the thunder. I think a lot of it's hopefully blowing away from here. It's getting a little windy out, but hopefully it cools it down some because it was a little muggy. Probably just gonna hang out here for a little bit and then probably hop in the van and find something to watch and get up in the morning and head to Chattanooga. All right, you guys, the rain is kind of on and off. I think I'm just gonna hang out and eat some Oreos and catch up on some episodes of The Bear, and then probably go to sleep after a little bit or something. I don't really know. I don't really expect any more excitement for the night to go on, so I'll probably see you guys in the morning.
I know common.
Good morning, guys. It's 6:30, getting ready to get on the road and head to Moxie Van Co. Says it's about an hour and 10 minutes, so should be there right a little bit before 8. So they open at 7:30, so that should be fine. Slept pretty good, pretty quiet, even though it's a truck stop. Heard some trucks coming in and out a little bit throughout the night, but it wasn't horrible. So I guess let's get going. All right, guys, here's a little closer look at the window. It's a decent sized window, it takes up the whole panel. And if you grab up here and pull down, makes a bug net. And then just kind of separate it. You can lift it up, and then it makes it a shade. And then you can pull it down and you got some ventilation, keep the bugs out.